Hello, just a quick one today. I'm a bit hungry, so I'm going to try these curry puffs. So on this channel, I'm just going to be cooking anything in the air fryer, just going to be winging it. So we'll give these a go, see what they're like. They're from Woolworths. Curry puffs. Hopefully they'll be alright. So they're saying 180 for 8 minutes. $180. 8 minutes. Let's check them out. Yeah, not bad. They look alright. I think they're done. I'll cut one in half. See what it looks like. Smell nice. Just beef, curry in there. They're bloody really nice. Wasn't expecting anything to be like that. They're really nice. I wasn't expecting them to be that nice. Nice flavour of curry. Tastes good. See you later. See you in the next one.